This is Ken with Accent American. We're going to do a walkthrough and show you this 60-year-old house we've been commissioned to clean the floors. He's got some pretty dirty wood floors, the dirtiest I've ever seen. And it's going to be interesting how they turn out. Okay, as you can see, if we look down, these are extremely soiled. They're chipped. This is about 60 years. I don't think they've ever been cleaned. We got a lot of wear. They really need a deep sanding, but it's not within their budget. They want to clean. So we're going to go in here. We're going to clean this tile in this bathroom. We're going to go all the way inside there.
Paint.
Yeah.
Looks like paint on the floor.
Yep.
Just generally dirty.
Now some paint on the
You
wood
can see.
too. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just generally dirty.
We got the wood floor in the closet here.
Yep.
Okay, we'll come back through.
Yeah, some scuff marks and scratches. And this is the best of them, I think.
Yeah. You can see we're going down wood here.
There's paint on the floor.
Right, you keep going. I removed the vent up here so I can get around it.
More paint.
You can see the ducts need a good cleaning too.
Go over here.
Yes.
Some more. Just see generally nice and dirty.
Yeah. This is one of the cleaner floors.
Looks like something spilled here.
Yeah. Back in here. If there was a finish, I think it's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think there's any finish on this.
So I'm gonna rough
It's
it up.
pretty dirty.
I'm gonna rough it up and try to take it down a notch or two. And then let's go back and come back here.
Watch your step.
Watch the
There's a
step.
big old hole in the floor.
Yeah. Look at the paint in here.
Yeah, I can. Oh yeah, somebody made a big mess in here
We
with
gonna
this
put
paint.
this-
It's everywhere.
We're gonna start out with a square scrub.
This is why you use painter's tape when you're painting and drop cloths. Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to go citrus
What
in
is that, a
here.
closet?
Yeah, there's carpet in here.
Okay.
We'll go down here.
Do we want to rip it out and see if there's wood underneath?
No, there's a hot water heater sitting on it.
Okay, never mind. Okay, here's a,
You can tell by the age, this is some old tile.
yeah, really old, really dirty.
Yeah.
Looks like it could use some grouting there. Looks like it's coming
Yeah.
apart.
It's got a crack from settling right there.
Oh yeah, well this building is old.
Yeah.
What did you say, 60 years old?
Yeah, we
There's
have
more paint.
water damage over here.
Yeah, we might not be able to do much about that.
No, they need replacement. You know, but you know, we might be able to make some of it look better.
Yeah, maybe.
But they're smaller, that's why they got the gaps.
And again, with the
Mhm.
somebody not bothering to prep for painting.
No.
No.
Well,
Alrighty.